day one of our Japan. We're in Osaka, so this is going to be the Osaka part. We're gonna go to 7-Eleven. We're staying at the Kendeo Hotel in Shinsaibashi. We spent yesterday just traveling. It was like the plane ride and then train after bullet train after train, and we're finally in Osaka.
What is ISO?
ISO? That's the... I'm not gonna be technical with you right now.
Just basically give me a rundown. I have no idea. I don't know if it matters on this little thing.
Just keep it at 100 or 200.
Sounds good.
The higher you... The ISO is if it's like dark. You need it like to brighten... It brightens your...
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I guess if I'm taking pictures at night, then...
Yeah. What was I saying? The gist is that we're in Osaka. Yeah, it's warm. On the corner.
Even coffee, they have coffee hot.
Oh. It's not a picture, it's a video. It's a video. You excited? You're gonna meet your best friend?
안녕하세요. Nagpo-vlog ka?
Yeah.
Right?
It's a video app. You excited? How about you, Kai? You excited?
Yeah, of course.
What are you looking
Excited
for?
to go to Dotonbori at night.
Yeah. We are going to Nara, so we're gonna go now. Let's get on.
We gotta go on another train, but this is the next stop.
On to the next train, and then to Nara Park. On the train, but I said we're on our way to Nara. We're going to go to another station. There's technical difficulties with some of us in our party. Some of them don't have, like, their Suica cards aren't working on their phones, so we're trying to figure that out at the minute. But yeah, now we're just walking. I love the cold. It's so like drastic change from Hawaii. Like, it's so hot still, and now I feel like I'm in AC 24/7. It's really nice.
That's in the center of Dotonbori.
That's a stratosphere.
Yeah, no, you can go up there. You can go up there. Yeah.
I don't like.
That's in Dotonbori?
Inside.
I
That's Dotonbori.
Yeah.
I did in Las Vegas. I didn't even step, you know.
How was it, Kai?
It's good.
The pudding?
Oh!
Oh yeah, it's good.
It's here!
It's good. It's good.
I don't know, is it?
Wait, no, I found the napkin.
This
I
side.
mean,
Train rides.
So pretty. The aunties. And then the other auntie that's so cool. She got the sunglasses. Then all the cousins standing over there. And we got Kairos. Again. I'm waiting for the train.
okay.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
Thank you for your
Is that for
cooperation.
dating profile?
Then you're gonna bring it back.